Today we are going to see LaTeX code, tables as well as figures, how we will put in article style. So let's begin with our section. Here we have to give first tag, that is my document class. Here we have to type the article, so that's why my article I am specifying. Next we will use package. Within this I am using graphics. So this is basically for figures I am using. Next I will use the package for caption. After this we are going to use package for book tabs. Now here you can see first tag is my document class. This is for article. We are wants table as well as figure in article style. That's why my document class we have specified article. Then for figures we are giving graphics, that is a use package. Next one, that is a use package caption. This is for caption customization we have used. Next one, that is a use package, that is a book tabs for better table rules we have given. After this we are using use package for hyper reference, that is for clickable reference. So here my hyper reference will come. So as soon as you will click on that particular numbers, it will jump towards your particular paragraphs or whichever link you have given. Next one, that is my title. So title is my table and figures in LaTeX. So this is my title. After this, if you want to specify the author, you can specify the name of author. Same way if you want date, so give the date here. Now we will begin with our document. So here document is there. After this we will make the title. After this we have to give the section. Now within this section I will put creating a table. So this is my first section which I have given. Then table, this will print as it is. Now here we want to create the hyper reference. So here my reference will come and then tab student data, then shows sample student data. So this statement will print as it is. Then we will begin with the table. Here H, that is your heading. Then centering indicate all the content within that will come in the center side. Then the caption we will specify. So within the caption I am giving over here student marks data. So whichever caption you want you can specify. Then the label I am giving. So within my label tab student data. So this is my label for my table. Now how you want that content within that table. For example, if I want in tabular format, so we have given that, and then the alignments of this. For example, center, all the content I want in the center alignment. So this triple C we have given. So this defines the column alignment and vertical lines. For horizontal line we are giving H line. Now students, if you want to see the tables, how we will put and which are the different methods for it, so these already mentioned within my YouTube channel, so you can see that. Now we will move towards the next part, that is H line. So you can see over here we have begin with the table, then we have specified the content, how basically we want to place within the table, then we have given the caption, then we have set the labels also, then we will begin with, after label we begin with our table, then after this we have to put the data within that. So let's put certain data within the table, and is used for the here different types of columns. So first column is my name, so first of all we will mention that also here. So after H line we will mention text BF, that is a bold format we want, that is a name we want. After name we want to put and will come. After this text BF we want to put the subject. After subject we want to put text BF marks. So these all my entries are over here. Then my H line. Okay, now we will put the data within this. First of all name, then the subject will come, and last column, that is my marks entry. So let's put the marks also over here. So few more records we will enter over here. So these all are the records within my table. Then last we will mention over here H line. After H line we will give the end for your tabular, and we will end over here table also. After this we will create the figures. So for creating figure we will again open one section, and within this section, first section we have created for the creating table. Now next section is for our figures. So let's mention over here creating a figure. So this is my next section. This will print as it is. Now here also I have to give the reference. So this reference will come over here where exactly we want to go. That is a sample image. We want to give the link over here. So that I have specified. Within this we have given the link as a student data. So these two things we have mentioned over here within the link. The statement will print as it is, displays a sample image. How to insert the image and the different ways, each and everything mentioned within my YouTube channels. So today currently we are not using any image, so that's why I am not putting image yahan pe path and all those things. So let's see. So this is my sample. Then we will begin over here figure. Then the H will come. Then centering will come. Then include graphics. After this, if you want to specify the height and width over here specific, so you can specify over here. For example, here I am giving 0.4. This is my text width. So I have specified over here. Now after this I am just typing over here example image. So this will come as a labeling over here. Students, if you want to insert any image, so you have to give the either the path of that image or just copy paste that image within your folder and give your image name with extension. So over here, PNG, JPG and PDF images can supported by LaTeX. Already videos were available in my YouTube channel. Now next part, that is a caption, sampling, figure from LaTeX. So this I have given within the caption. Next part, closing the label, and after that within this label we will mention figure, sample image. So you can see over here we have given, then end, figure, and last we will end the document also. Let's save this. Now we will give over here heading as my table and figure. Tables as well as figures. So I have given this. Let's save this and execute this. So here I have to end my tabular, which is missing, which is showing me this part is missing. So I'm just closing that also. Again we will execute. Okay, this is for figure. And here I have closed tabular. Yes, I have closed tabular also. So spelling tabular as well as figure. So both the things we have closed. Let's execute again. It will take some time for execution. Now you can see this is my title which I have given, tables and figures in LaTeX. Next one, that is my section, creating table. So this statement is appearing as it is, but over here we have given the reference. So once I will click over here, it will go towards my page 1. This is the second, my section, that is a creating figure. If you want to insert the image, your image will be appear over here. This is a figure, that is a labeling of my image. Once you will click over here, it will display a particular part. So that's it, student, in this section. Thank you, students, for watching my video.